this morning it is day 5 of our 7-day cruise, and we are just now heading off the ship, and we are in Honduras. And it's kind of rainy out today, but we're gonna go to the beach and kind of see how that goes. What do you think?
I'm dressed for the weather.
Yes, he is. Been a little chaotic so far. Braden and I never received our tickets to go on a shore excursion, and I guess we were supposed to receive them yesterday in our stateroom or something, but we never got them. We figured out where we were gonna go and we got it all worked out, but it was a little stressful. Here we go. Seats are really small.
I managed to fit 4 seats and an aisle into every row at the same time as they're fitting just 4 seats.
It's a little cold.
Not very slippery.
I was really nervous that it was going to rain all day, but you know, even though it's pretty overcast, I'm glad we got to get some swimming in. There's some people over there. I'm gonna try to swim over there. It's a little nerve-wracking because there's lots of like seaweed and it's a little scary for me, but I'm gonna go do it. So the rain has just started. Braden is gonna go around the little obstacle course and we're gonna follow him around. Let's hope we can outlast this rain. 3, 2, 1, go! So we just got back on the bus and now we're gonna head back to the ship.
Yeah.